This conference will now be recorded.
So we'll start the session. Today I am going to show once again that how to define company, and then we'll continue with the other topics also. So resume this virtual machine. What is asking? 1 second. Just a minute. So how to define a company? So everyone join the session. Okay. So now we are in SAP Easy Access screen. I'm going to click here. SPRO. SAP reference IMG.
My screen is not visible.
Okay, I'll share the screen. 1 second. Is it visible now? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
visible now, students? Okay. So I'll start from the beginning once today. So open the software. It is here. Today completely you see till 7 o'clock. Without stucking, you will get to know entire full videos you will get it. So this is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, then define company. Everyone mute yourself. Then click on new entries. I'm going to create one new company for this. I'll create info 10, or I'll give info 25. Okay, this is the new company from the beginning I'm doing. So infotech company 25. Infotech company 25, I'm giving postal code 560011. City, I'll give Bangalore. Country, I'm doing India. Language key EN. Currency INR. So like this you have to do. Click on save. I'm going to create one request here. So what is that? Infotech. Today only you see students. Infotech company 25. Okay. So click on the save button. Now the request has been created. Click on save. So company has been created. Back. Next I'll go back. I'll create define edit copy delete check company code. So I'm going to create company code, edit company code, data. So click on new entries. I'll create IN25. So Infotech company 25. City is Bangalore. Country India. Currency INR. Language key EN. Click on save. So I'll create company. Company name is Infotech company 25. So here I am giving postal code 560011. This is Bangalore. This is India. Region is 10. After this, you have to click on this tick mark. Okay. Once it is getting saved, you have to save here. Data was saved. Next, back once and close this. Next, I'm going to assign this company code to company financial accounting. Assign company photo company. So I'll click on positions, company code IN25, and I'm going to assign with info 25. So after this, click on this, save. Okay. Next, what is that? I'll create define credit control area. Define credit control area. Okay. So click on new entries. IN25, currency INR. Then credit limits I'm giving 1 lakh. Then save. Now I'm going to here I should type credit control area for IN28. Sorry, 25. So click on save and back once. Next I'm going to assign this company code to credit control area. Click on positions IN25. Then credit control area is IN25. Click on save and save. Got it? After this, go back once. Next is define business area. So define business area. Click on new entries. So I'll type IN25. This is business area for IN25. Like this, click on save and save. So back. Now we have done business area. Next, I'll close all these things because enterprise structure has been finished. Now we'll go to the financial accounting global settings. Now I'll do fiscal year. Okay, so here fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain fiscal year variant. Okay, so here you have to give the positions V3. Click on this, select this one, copy as. Now I am going to do 25. Press enter. So click on copy all. So 364 entries has been copied. Then click on this and double click on, sorry, data should save first. And next we have to click on this. So data is getting saved. Then click on this and what I should do, double click on periods. It will all display. Next, save and back. Now we are going to assign company code to fiscal year variant. So here click on positions. This is IN25. Click on this. Fiscal year variant I have given 25. Click on this. It will show there is no posting periods and all. Save this. Press enter and cancel it. It will ask you again save. Cancel. Data was saved. 2 times if you cancel, it will saved. Next is I'm going to tell you posting periods. So how to do posting periods? So financial accounting document posting periods. So here we have options called define variant for open posting periods. Click on new entries. I'll give IN 25. So this is what posting period variant for IN 25. Clear? Save this and save with that. Back. So this things has done, then open and close. Then we have to assign the variant to company code. Click on this positions, IN25, company code. I have to give the variant IN25. Click on save and save. So till this we did. Next is we have to create open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods, how to do? Double click on this and you have to select ADKMS. You have to see that which company it is like that. So I'm going to select here ADKMS is there. So click on this, this, and this. So I have to click on all 5 with 1 plus. Click on this and I'm going to change with the company code. So IN25. Arrow key you can use. Don't press enter key till it's not completed. You need to use the down arrow key. IN25. Okay. Assets, customer, vendor, material. ADKMS. All these things are there. Now I'm going to change the financial year. So 2025, 25. So this is 26. 6. Okay, all these things I have changed. Press enter and click on save. Okay, so it has been saved here. So next you go back, and next we did till this much we have done. I think open and close posting period. What was the last topics? Anyone can answer? So today I'm going to teach you document splitting. We'll see what was the last topics we have covered. Open and close posting periods we have done. As a chart of accounts also we have done. Now I'll do chart of accounts and return earnings. So how to do chart of accounts? So close all these things. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL account, master data, preparations, edit chart of account list. Okay. So click on new entries. I'm going to create IN25.
Ma'am, can you be a little slow, ma'am? We're not able to catch up.
This all it is old topics which we have done last
Yeah,
class.
yeah, but I was not able to access it. That's why. A little slow is also fine.
Till where it is, because I am repeating. I should repeat after 15 classes. But as some students has joined lately, so I am repeating here. You
Yeah,
can see the
a little
previous
slow.
recordings also. It is already done.
Okay.
It is already done. I have not started anything practical. Any new things I have not started till now. I'll start after 6:30. Okay, so now see here, this is the chart of accounts which so everything like enterprise structures first you have to do with the business area, then you have to do financial accounting global settings first, then after this you have to do fiscal year variant, then assign fiscal year variant to company code, then we have to do posting periods and assign company code to posting periods. Then we have to do open and close posting period. Only this much topics has been done. And I taught last class chart of accounts, which I am going to show you once again. So here it is like financial accounting. You have to click on the general ledger accounting. In the general ledger accounting, you have to click on GL masters. Then master data. Okay. I have sent the notes also. You can check it out. Preparations, edit chart of account list. You have to click on this, students. Then we have to do click on new entries. This already done. I am repeating once again, and I'll give you 5 minutes to think where doubts is there. Will clarify. So here chart of accounts for IN25. So it is English. We have to select here English, and GL account number is 6. Because few students they have personally came and they have told me like they have joined lately this classes, so for that demand I am repeating today, or else I'll start with a new topic. Okay, so it has already done, students. You can just clarify with us and click on save. Okay, and after this we need to do the assign company code to chart of accounts. So here you have to click on positions, then IN25. If you'll see the entire recordings, you will get to know how it is working. So click on this, then IN25. Then click on save. So we have saved because whatever you will assign that we need to define here. So what will define that we need to assign. So Infotech Company 25, I have assigned with the chart of accounts, the company code, then accounts group. Accounts group, what is that? That is assets, liability, income, and expenses. Last class we have discussed about this, and we have to click on this new entries. Okay, you can copy also any entries, but better you create with the new entries. What I am saying that. So chart of accounts is IN25. Accounts group you have to type ASST, that is for assets. Name is, I'll give your asset. And your account number is 1 lakh to 159. Okay. Next is IN25 LI liabilities. This is also liabilities you have to give, and 2 lakhs to 259. Okay. So next is IN25. Here we have to give income. Then here also incomes. This is 3 lakhs to 3,900. Okay. Next is IN25. Here I'll give expenses. So what I'll do here, expenses, and 4 lakhs to 4,900. Okay. So this is after finishing this, what you need to do, press enter. Once you press enter and click on save. It is not required press enter, but you can directly save also. So this is all done. Now I forgot that I have created accounts group or not. For anything you want to check in SAP, you have to click on position and you can give the chart of accounts which we have created, and you can check it is already done. Yeah, back. Next is return earnings account. So it is a balance carry forward. So I'm going to change this chart of accounts as a IN25. Press enter. Here I am going to give X. This is as a one alphabets we are assigning, and 2 lakhs. This is your liabilities. Okay. So save. Once you press enter and click on save. So data has been get saved here. Till this much we have finished till last Friday. Okay. So my question is, in case any doubts, let me know on that. Everyone understood till this much we have done in last week. Clear? So today's topic will be different. Today's topic I'm going to show you. This is a document splitting. Till this, any doubts is there, students? Any doubts here is there? Because last week topics I have revised. If you have any doubts, raise your hand. If you don't have, type 1 in the chat box. Yes. If you have doubt, ask. If you understood this, type 1 in the chat box. So we'll get clarification means we can start the new topic. Only I got 5-1. I want more numbers, then only I'll start the new topic. Anyone has any doubts? You can raise your hand or you can type in chat box. So we'll continue. We'll continue means type 5. If we start with the new topics, you can put your response as a 5. Type 5. Okay. So let's start with a little bit new topic today. Here is document splittings. So what is the document splitting? Everyone able to see the screen? I'll just increase the size. Document splitting in SAP FI is a financial accounting, is a features that allows more detailed financial reporting by breaking down accounting documents. Here I want to give you an example, right? Suppose you have in a company different departments. different department has a different files to maintain, right? Accounts department, sales department, finance department, HR department, productions department, okay, research and development department. So every department they are keeping one file for records. So if I want to find out only the files related to the one file related to sales department, I want to find out. So all files if I'll mix up, then it is difficult to find out one particular file, and that will be with the code. Okay, so that is difficult to find out. In that case, what we'll use? We'll use document splitting. Means I will keep all finance related files in one folder and sales department all in one folder. Like this, I will make the separate folder, means it is easy to find out and get that particular file. So for that, here also we have document splitting. That features allows more detailed financial reporting by breaking down accounting documents. Like here it is given as a journal entries into multiple lines item based on a specific characteristics like segments, profit center and business area. So document splitting in an SAP FI is a feature that enables more detailed financial reporting by splitting the documents, like we can do in assets, then liabilities, income, and expenses. What are the accounts group we have created? According to that, we are going to split the documents. Like assets and liabilities, it will related to the balance sheet. Okay, income and expenses, it related to the, what is that? Profit and loss account. So it is expenses and revenue account. We have to make it as a document splitting. So why document splitting is used? Now I'm going to show you that. So to provide complete financial statements, balance sheet and profit and loss by segments or other dimensions to comply with the legal requirements, segment reporting, and to improve the internal reporting accuracy. For that we are using. How it works? When you post a financial transactions, example vendor invoice, customer invoice, payment, vendor payment, customer payment, so in that case SAP automatically split the line items so that each one carries the necessary dimension. This includes both original and clearing items. So for example, if an expenses is shared across two profit centers. Students, what do you mean by profit center? Answer me, what do you mean by profit center? Cost or profit center, have you heard this name? Anyone has answer means you can tell me.
No, ma'am.
See, I'll tell you, profit centers where profit maximization has to be calculated. Like instead of posting single expenses line. So cost category, cost centers also we're teaching in Tally. It is like cost or profit center management. Like it belongs to the company's activities like salary paid. Suppose one company has a 10 employees. Okay. So that company have a 15 branches. Let's take in Bangalore. So each branches includes like 10 to 20 employees. So when the salary will distribute from the head office, it will be divide into the different branches. So it is called as a cost of profit centers. It is a cost to the company. That's what we are telling. Cost in CTC. CTC means what? Cost to company. What is the meaning of that? It is that amount which a company, in company it's occurred to hire a employees. Okay, when company is appointing one employees, so it is an expenses for the company also because he has to pay the cost, that is called CTC. So that pays profit for the what is that? That is the income for the employees. So it's a cost or profit centers. Instead of posting single expenses line items, SAP splits into two line items. Okay, each try to specific profit. That means cost centers also we can say on that. Next is example. One example is given here. Expenses account 1000 debited to vendors account. That means what? Purchase account debited 1000 to ABC traders. Let's take the example. Goods purchased owed rupees 1000 from ABC traders. Okay, so in that case, Purchase account debited to ABC traders. That's what it's given. So with document splitting by profit center, it becomes expenses is a profit centers 1000, expenses B is a profit centers 2000. So creditor vendors. So that is the 6000 and 4000 because two branches. You understanding? Two branches means 6000, 4000 has been divided, and to whom we are giving, from two profit centers we are paying to the vendors, means suppliers of goods and services. So this is called document splitting. I'm going to show you how to do document splitting in SAP. So I'll close all these things. It's fully clear. So financial accounting. Hmm. Students, you can write the path financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transactions. I'll add it in this. So how to do document splitting? I'll just write the path here. So here I'll edit path to create document splitting. Okay, so how to do this? So SPRO, SAP reference, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, display IMG, then financial accounting, so here you can see it is on the financial accounting plus an accounting new is there. Okay, financial accounting new, and then general ledger accounting new, general ledger accounting new. Okay, then what we need to do? We need to do business transactions, then document splitting. Then is business transactions, business transaction, then document splitting. Those who are writing, please write now. Okay, document splitting here. Document splitting, after this, what we need to do? Classify GL account for document splitting. So here we have to do classify G/L account, classify GL account for document splitting. Clear? So this is the procedure here. Students, make a note on this. Document splitting path you write. Have you done, students? Have you done this? You have written the path? Okay, if you have done, put a response as a thumbs up. You can put in chat box or you can put an emoji. No problem, this file also I'll send you, but path is required to write because it will easy for your practical. So we'll proceed. So let's do once. So we have to click on this classify GL account document splitting, and IN25 is automatically display here because it's a chart of accounts. This has opened right now. Click on this. Now click on new entries. So what you have to do, put on the chart of accounts and click on new entries. Okay. Once you click on new entries, accounts, I'm going to give accounts. So what you have given for accounts group, same things you need to give. Okay. Then here category you need to select. What you need to select? We have to select balance sheet account. Double click on this balance sheet
Ma'am,
account.
can you repeat? My computer was hanging after
Yes,
the slide.
wait, I'll cancel it. So have you seen, are you able to see the path?
Yes, ma'am.
Financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transactions, document splitting, and classify GL accounts for documents. Clear? So we'll go
Yes.
to the ING activity. Click on this. Now what is displaying here? Chart of accounts work area is displaying, automatically displaying what is the chart of accounts. You need to click on this green color tick mark and you will get what the screen, change view, classify GL accounts for document splitting. So this is the document splitting screen. Then you have to click on new entries. So I am going to give 1 lakh. Someone was asking, are you able to follow? You are able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
understand? Huh. So 1 lakh to 159 you have to give, and category you have to, when you click on this, you will get the screen. Okay. Here you have to double click balance sheet. Next, 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs to 29959 you have to give. Means below 3 lakhs. Okay. So here also this is I have done for balance sheet. Now your questions will be why I am selecting 2 times balance sheet. Correct. So did you remember when we created accounts group, what we are assigning? 1 lakh to 19 for assets, 2 lakhs to 259 that is for liabilities, 3 lakhs to 399 that we have done expenses, sorry, income, then 4 lakhs is to 499 we have done expenses. So according to that, I'm going to do here. So here I'm giving 3 lakhs to 399, and what I'm going to select, I'll select revenue. Okay, then 4 lakhs to 499. What we are going to do here, we have to select expenses. Okay, press enter. So this has been done. I think we have done this. I did not remember. So anyhow, we have done this. Then click on save. Till this, any doubts? You understood how it is
Ma'am,
working?
I have a doubt.
Ask.
Ma'am, as soon as you entered the category, it showed the description, but it's not
Yes.
showing for me.
But you need to press enter for that.
Okay.
Once you press enter, automatically it will display. Then you click on save button.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Understood? So students, till this any doubts? You have understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Ayman.
Ma'am, for me, it shows an entry already exists with the same key if I press on
Okay.
save.
Because this topics also we have done last class, I think. I have forgot that, but I have done this till this much, I think. So no issues. It is already done. It is telling that. So it will not take once more. Okay, with the same company, only once time creations. Okay, no issues because I have created new company now, so I have done. So repetition has done, students, and then I'm going to start today field status variant. So please make a note. What is field status variant? Here we can see on the screen. Field status variant is a configuration tools in a SAP. Now I'll ask you few questions on this. Do you know about anyone has knowledge about like tally, little bit tally prime and all? Little bit tally prime and all knowledge is there? Anyone has done? Because little knowledge is required in SAP also. Uh, if no, I'll explain that. Just like in tally, we are creating ledgers. Okay, the bank account. I'll give an example of ICICI Bank. What groups we are selecting? Accounts group, bank account. When I'm creating rent paid, it will comes under what? Expenses. When I'm creating a commission receipt, that will comes under income. Correct. So these are includes your general postings. So I'm going to show you field status variant is a configurations tool used in SAP system applications, product and data processing, especially within the financial accounting module. It controls the screen layout when users are entering financial transactions such as invoice, journal entries, or payment. Okay, let's in the brief way what is actually field status variant. I'll tell you some more things, then you will understand. So wait, I'll show you some more definitions. 1 second. Field status variant. No. Here you can see what is field status variant. In SAP FICO, a field status variant is a predefined set of status that controls the status of the field in a screen for a particular transactions or master records. You can write this notes also, students. Field status group is assigned to GL account. Through a field status group, one can define a field as an optional, suppressed, or mandatory. According to the field status group, respective fields will be displayed are mandatory, suppressed when posting are made to the GL account. So I'll just increase little bit size. Just make a note on this, and I'll show that definition also. You can write. Okay, then we will do postings. Don't write the path. I'll be showing you that. Field status variant. No, document splitting I have not done today. Last class I shown, but I have not done. No issues. You can do field status variant now. Are you able to see the screen, students? Are you able to see the screen? Okay. So both the paragraphs is done. Any doubts is there?
Writing, ma'am.
So everyone is done, students. Type 1 if you have completed. Only 2 students has put response. What about others? Are you writing still? Okay. No issues. We'll start now. So, how to do this? Let's start with this. So, go to this here. Classify document here. Splitting we have done. Close this all the window. Whatever you have open. Now, field status variant. How to do financial accounting. Uh, one second. Okay, document then line items. One second. So, Fill status variant. One second. Line items, then control. Okay, so write the path, students. Here I have given that same path only. So define fill status variant, define posting case. Before that, I want to tell you what is line items and what is the posting keys. Posting key is used for like 40 is for debit entry. Here I want to tell you something, students. You can write posting key path. You write what is posting key. Posting key, like in a transactions there will be two lines entries, that is called double entry system of bookkeeping, right? So if I'll give an example, company introduced capital 6 lakhs to the business by cash. So what you will enter, cash account debited to company's capital account. So there will be one debit, one credit. Clear? So this is called your line items. In posting keys, we have these are the things. So 40 is for debit entry, you can note on this. So 31 for invoice for vendor, students, you can write this. 31 you can write 01. First you can write 01 invoice for customer, 31 for vendors, 40 is for debit entry, and 50 is for credit entry. So here I'll show you 40, that is a debit entry GL accounts. First you can write this for your understanding. 40 debit entry GL account, 50 credit entry GL account. Please make a note, then we'll do the fill status variant.
Ma'am, can you repeat posting key?
Once I'll show the path. Okay. Right. Financial accounting global settings, document, line items, control, define posting keys. Posting keys are used to when we are doing transaction entry in the SAP, that will be automatically displayed. It is already inbuilt, already set in the software. Just you have to pass the journal entries. That is called posting in the SAP. The journal entries are a little bit called as a posting. So because the screen is different and we have to post the documents. And who don't have chocolate? You got a chocolate. Give me that. No. But it is meant, I think. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. It will become soft. Yeah. Hello. Posting keys. Here we can click, and here you see posting keys 40 is for debit entry and 50 is for credit entry. See here, 40 is for debit entry, that is for debit or credit means debit GL account, 50 is the credit entry, credit GL accounts. Everyone has done this. So write 01 is for, you can write 01 also, 01 invoice debit customer. 01 name is invoice, posting key is 01, name is invoice, debit or credit entry is debit. What is the account type? Customer. Is done, students. Next you write 31. 31 is also posting key 31. Name is invoice. Debit entry is credit. And account type vendor. So this particular line you can write. Where is my cursor positions that you can see and write. Any doubts? Any doubts are there?
No, ma'am.
So complete this. That is, I was telling 31 invoice, credit, vendors. So here you need not to do anything. Just it is a, already predefined. So I shown you. Okay. So after just below that we have defined field status variant. Define field status variant. Double click on this or single click. Actually you should do double click. Okay, so here we have to take position. So I'll select IN25. I'll give that one. No, I should not give that one. Here is the trick point. Okay, so define field status variant. Click on positions. Type 0001, which is already inbuilt in the software. Okay, so where is the cursor is going in the first? Click on this and we need to click on copy as. Write properly. Okay, so after this click on copy as and you need to change this. So what I'll give here, IN25. So fill status for IN25. Completed.
And
Then
first we
press
have to click on positions and then we have to do the steps which you're showing now, ma'am.
yes. Position you have to click. You have to give 0001, which is inbuilt in the software. Then click on copy as. Okay. Once you click on copy as, you will get the screen. Then you can change it. Any doubts?
Ma'am, do that once again.
I'll cancel it once. 1 minute. I'll exit from this. Okay. So define field status variant. Okay. Click on position 0001. Now see here what I'm doing. Field status variant 0001. Okay. Click on this continue button and where is my cursor? Here in the first. It will come to the first. Now you have to click in the see my pointer where it is. So left side one box type it is there. You have to click there and then you have to go to the copy as. Getting F6 also you can press, but better you click on copy as Now I'm going to change. So click here and remove this and give your company the status variant. So I'm giving company code to easy to understand. After this, what we need to do? Press enter. Okay, now still this you see that first. I have given my company code and I have typed there field status for IN25. Okay, then you need to press enter. When you need to press enter, then click on copy all. Correct. Click on copy all. Okay. So 41 copies has been entered. Click on this and save. Okay. Save with customizing request. Till this you understood, students? Understood how it has to be created? Hmm? If you understood, put your response. Okay. I am going to show you the next one. Okay. See this what we need to do. What we have created, no, that you again click and double click on field status group. Still you are in the particular screen. Select that which you have created and double click on field status group. Double click on field status group. So now you can see what are the things are displaying. G001 general way allocations. In SAP FICO, what and all things are required? This is all mixing of all the SAP modules are mixing up here. So for us, what you required, you can note down. We require G001, we require G005, we require G041 also. One second, I'll tell you. For tax office clearings, and we want G067. So please make a note, students. Other things is not required for FICO. So you can write G001 general with text allocation. G005 is for bank account. Is it displaying little red color? It is displaying bank account obligatory values date. First, this two you write, then I'll show you another two. Clear? This two you have written. Next two you write G041 tax office clearing account and G067 is reconciliation account. Completed. Students, done. This is on. Okay. So after this, what we need to do, remove this. You should not save with that. Just again click, it will go off. Then I want to show you for G001. Double click on this G001, and here we have a general data. You need not to do anything, just you see that account numbers. What is the meaning of required entry, suppressed required? Here I am going to show you that. Let's discuss one thing. See, what do you mean by required entries? Mandatory, must be filled in. Optional means can be filled in. Hidden means not visible at all. Display only means visible but not editable. Okay, so these fields will be there. So field status group, there are assigned a general ledgers account. Field status variant, a collections of field status group. Company code, each company code is assigned one field status variant. This allows consistent fields behavior across all financial posting for a company. That's what it is used. So why it is important? Ensures data consistency, help with internal control by limiting unnecessary or unauthorized input, and simplifies user experience by hiding irrelevant fields. Okay, just like one example, you might make the invoice date as a required field. The text field might be optional. Clear? So in that case, it is applicable. The trading partner field might be hidden if not used. Okay, so this is I have given. You can go through this. This is repeated actually. I should not. Okay, so I'll delete this. It has been repeated as it is. Okay, now here I have given the things. Now what we'll do? Just you have to take a look and come back. After this, you have to click on save. Data has been saved back. Now IN25, double click on field status group I shown you. So nothing you have to do now. Assign company code to field status variant. Next step you write. Procedure is same. Financial accounting, and then financial accounting global settings, document, line items, controls, and assign company code to field status variant. After this, only one concept I am going to teach you students. Then document number ranges and all I'll be showing you the next tomorrow's class. Document number range, document types, that and all we'll do tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, GL accounts, general ledger creations. And Thursday I'll do one part and post documents.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
I have a doubt.
Huh.
While in the last step, you actually got after copy all, ma'am. You actually got number of entries is 41 now, ma'am.
41.
But
We'll get
but I'm not getting that. I'm getting runtime error, and my screen is coming back to SAP Easy Access.
SAP Easy Access.
Yeah, it's coming back
So
to
try
SAP Easy
to do,
Access.
no issues. You do one more time.
Okay.
Go to the SAP reference. SPRO you type in the T code bar. Maybe some
Yes,
error
ma'am.
will be there. Then SAP reference IMG. Okay, then display IMG. Here in the
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
you come and type. See my screen. I'm not doing anything now. Financial accounting. Financial
Yeah.
accounting global settings. Then document. And then line items. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Control. Then click on this define field status variant. I'll just go there only. Okay. Click on position.
Okay.
Give triple
Yes, ma'am.
zero one there. 0001 you give.
0001.
Hmm. Click on tick mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now you select this. See the
Yeah.
screen and click
Copy
on
as.
here. Huh. Now you try to change what is your company code that you give, and here also you type your company code. This letter as it is same, or you can type. In your screen is not displaying means you can type also.
Yeah. I did it.
Press enter.
Then I'm getting a pop-up which says entry one of the entries. That then copy all.
Yes, copy all you have to do.
Okay.
After copy all you will get 41 entries.
Ma'am, can I show my screen to you once?
Okay, once I'll cancel it.
Yes, ma'am.
Send back. Okay, I'll stop sharing. You can show me.
No, I'm
Once.
using my iPad for the meet and I'm working out in my laptop, so it'll be okay.
But how I can see that? You have to show that. I'll stop sharing the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
What is your? Can I know your name? So I'll make
Disha.
you Disha, na? 1 second. Disha. I'll make you as a Disha, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
right click. 1 second. I'll just stop presenting. Disha. I'll make you as a presenter. Check it out. You can
Okay.
present the screen now.
No, can I
You
show
have
my camera because I'm using two different devices?
sure. Anything is okay.
Okay. This is the pop-up which I'm getting.
When I'm not getting the screen. Okay, I made it as an organizer so that. See. In this na. Uh, I'll make the screen. Okay, this is runtime error is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
That is just some technical error actually. I'll check you later.
Uh,
Runtime error means there is some configuration error is there. You
okay.
have to check from the beginning once.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
any point you have missed out means it will display like that. This error sometimes I'll also get. It is a technical error. That is like
Okay.
configuration. Some things at the time of all this procedure you are doing, no, anywhere it is missed out or something, then it will get error. Or else technical issues also runtime error will get.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it is displaying. Before it was not displaying, right?
No, ma'am.
So you just call up once to sir. Sir, till now I have done it was not in. Today I faced this error. Take a screenshot and you send him.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then he will get to know what can be done. Because this type of error admin can solve. I thought you it is showing means this has already been created means that is different thing. I can solve it out. But this particular screen I can see here also. Check it out once with
Okay.
him. He may suggest it is a
Okay.
small error. It can rectify it, not an issue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so you can stop sharing. Okay, just check it out, Disha, not an issue.
Yes, ma'am. And if I press back, it'll go to SAP access screen. I can do that, right? Like, I can do the.
Ah, Other you do one thing. Other options you check. Create one new company, Disha. Check all
Okay.
features are running. If running, you tell when I am doing one concept, sir. In the last concept, what Madam taught, that time I got this particular runtime error.
Okay.
So then he can suggest you because till this any error you have not got. No, you have done everything is correctly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is little bit somewhere problem will be there. It can be rectified. He will
Okay.
suggest over the phone only. You can do that.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll continue, students, just 5 minutes, and after this we can continue tomorrow. Okay. So you are able to see the screen. Are you able to see the screen? Okay. So today's last topic, I'm going to do this. Assign company code to fill status variant. So assign company code to fill status variant, you have to click and click on the position. Give the company code IN28 25. Sorry, here I am doing mistakes. So again, it will show me for error also. In the typing time, if you do mistakes, that type of error also will get it. So here I'll do IN25. He is in the office now. We can call up and ask Disha. Sir is
Ma'am?
there in office today.
Okay.
He is there in office right now. When I am there, he is also there. Just
Okay,
call
ma'am.
up, sir. I was doing. Just suddenly I got this error. You check. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
You can WhatsApp also. You can his number. That
Okay.
the screen. If you'll send picture, then he will get to know where is the mistakes he suggested.
Okay, ma'am. But there's
Just
no
check it out once.
problem with the program, no?
After no. Nothing is there.
Okay.
You just check, but that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so data was saved. Till 8 o'clock he will be here. After this he will log out, I think. So you can check now. After the class only you ask him. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And next one is, this is the last we have done. Assign company code to fill status variant. Just click on the positions and give, and that's all. Next is, I am going to give you small definition on tolerance group, but I am not going to do practical. So you can just write the meaning. Will be starting tomorrow, because now you will not be able to follow because it's a little tricky topic. I have to explain with examples. So write just meaning of the tolerance group. With examples, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. The tolerance group for employees determines the maximum documents amount the employees are authorized to post. The maximum amount can enter as line items in a vendor account or customer accounts. A tolerance group is created and assigned to the employees. This you can write, and this also you can write. This this two paragraph you can write. So why do we use tolerance group? Like in a company, there will be different departments. People will be there. Like the maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to post. Just two paragraphs. These two paragraphs you can write. This particular sections I will be discussing in the tomorrow's class. The maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to enter a line items in a customer vendor account. Then the discount percentage the employees is permitted to enter a line items. and to what amount payment difference can be accepted. Just like in a company, we have account executive. He can post the document up to 5 lakhs. Accountant can be up to 15 lakhs. Manager up to post can the document 25 lakhs. He can do the transactions till 25 lakhs. Senior manager up to 30 lakhs and CEO of the company can be posted 50 lakhs, his limit. So that is called tolerance group for employees. How much documents, how till how much amount document they can be posted and what will be the payment difference. That means how much in the credit they can give the transactions. Completed students? Any doubts is there? You have note down? Understood the today's topic? Okay. If you understood, type in the chat box. 1. Practice with the software, and I have got less one. What about others? Are you understanding? Vinashri, so many names are there. Vinay, Aditi. I want to ask one students, RC Chaitra. Okay, so one more by letter R is there. Okay, no issues.
Yes,
So do
ma'am.
not miss the class today onwards because I know I have only Chaitra name also. I'm getting RC Chaitra. No, that is another name that sometimes what happen you will connect with the mobile and systems. So two names where I'm getting that. So I want to confirm that. That's what I asked. I'll just tell you which is that name. It is R letter only. I'm not getting that. 1 second. No issues. All are present. It's not repeating. Amreen Fatima is displaying 2 times. Okay. So you are attending in a two system. Ha, Rishika. Yes, I got to the name. Rishika R and Rishika. Only Rishika. Both are same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
One day I got attendance like Rishika R and Rishika. Both the names I
Ma'am,
have got. Yes, tell
ma'am,
me.
it was because I logged into
Yes, tell me,
my
Rishika.
tab. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah, so once I logged in through my tab
So
and my
only
phone. So yeah.
okay. Okay, no issues. I got to know. So because two names I have written. So because I'm marking attendance, no. So two names are displaying. I thought two different students or same students only. I just clarifying. Others is okay. No issues. No issues. I understood that. So we'll continue next class, students, tomorrow with the new topics, that is a tolerance group and document number range. We are going to discuss. Okay. So practice with this, and those one student has got technical error, please contact and solve it out. that is small error. It can be solved, not an issues. Okay. So bye bye for the today's sessions. I'm winding up. We'll discuss on tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye, students.